In this video, I want to show you how to fix this error before it even starts and bundle the VC redistributable inside your CryptoPrevent custom installer. So you need to download the VC redistributable, the x86 version. That link will be in the description for this video in the notes. Basically, what we want to do is we use our CryptoPrevent creator tool to create a custom configuration. You have to give it a name and you have to give it a number here. I have installs remaining on configuration 9, so I'm just going to have 9 in there automatically. I've already done this, but you can do it again. Just click Save Create Custom Installer. Then this will pop up and it will tell you where the installer is. Now, what we want to do here is click Open Installer Folder Location. And that's going to take us to the installers folder, and we see we have our installer here. We're not going to use this one, so you can just delete it. Okay, we're going to go back up a level and go into the includes directory. I want you to take this VC redistributable and paste it in there. So now it should just live there. Now, what we want to do is we do have setup installed, which you should if you've made a custom installer before. So what we're going to do is find setup in your start menu, right-click on it, and launch as administrator. You have to run it as administrator or it can't work where it needs to. So you get this welcome box and you want to open an existing file. So just click on More Files, and we'll scroll. You're going to find the CryptoPrevent directory under Program Files x86 Foolish IT, and you'll see setup.iss. Just open that, and now we have this item here. Basically, we're just going to paste in 2 lines of code. The first line of code goes under the Files section. Just click here to make a new line and paste that line of code in. And you'll see now I have the VCRedist _x86.exe files here. Now our next line of code is pasted under the Run section, so make a new line there. And we'll paste that here. And now it'll look like this. This is imperative that it comes before the line that runs CryptoPrevent, which is the line you see under it here. It's imperative it runs before CryptoPrevent because this is what fixes the error. Okay, so basically we just want to save and click the build menu and compile. Okay, you'll see the compiler output down here at the bottom. And once it's finished, it'll just tell you it's finished, and we can close that. We're done there now. Now we're going to go back to Open Installer Folder Location, and here we have our newest installer. You'll see by the timestamp it was just created, and this will contain our VC redistributable.